Welcome children to Boya Creation. Let's learn about the national symbols of India. भारत के राष्ट्रीय प्रतीक. Our country has many such symbols that are part of our culture and heritage. Most of these are related to the environment and biodiversity of India. The first one is national flag, Rashtriya Dhwaj. Our national flag has three horizontal bands, saffron, white and green. The saffron band is at the top while the green one is at the bottom. The white band is in the middle and in its center is the blue Ashok Chakra. All the three bands are of equal width. The flag is rectangular in shape and its length is 1.5 times of its breadth. Second one is national emblem. Our national emblem consists of 4 lions facing the 4 directions, but only 3 can be seen from the front. The emblem has been designed after the Ashok pillar at Sarnath. At the base of the emblem, there is a wheel with 24 spokes. There is a horse on one side and a bullock on the other side of the wheel. Our national motto, Satyamev Jayate, Truth Alone Triumph, is written in Devanagari at the base of the emblem. It is the national motto of India. The third one is national anthem. Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of India. It was originally composed as Bharto Bhagya Vidata in Bengali by polymath Rabindranath Tagore. The first stanza of the song Bharto Bhagya Vidata was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India as the national anthem on 24th January 1950. Fourth one is national song. Vande Mataram is our national song. The song Vande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration to the people in their struggle for freedom. Fifth one is national animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India because of its rich cultural history, abundance, characteristics and conservation efforts. In April 1972, the Royal Bengal tiger was declared to be the national animal of India. The national animal of a country is often a symbolic representation of the country's rich heritage and culture. National flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is a sacred flower and occupies a unique position in the art and mythology of ancient India and has been an auspicious symbol of Indian culture since time immemorial. Seventh is national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock, the national bird of India, is a colorful swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, a white patch under the eye and a long slender neck.